Good morning students. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched the previous videos. So Parabola chapter already we have uploaded 4 videos. Now the 11th question already we have started this exercise 3A in which first Roman first Roman is completed, second Roman 10 problems we have completed, and this is the 11th problem. Prove that the point of the parabola y square equals to 4x nearest to the focus is its vertex. So this is the parabola. So this is the vertex A and this is focus. So we need to prove that the focus is nearest to the vertex. There are so many points. This point, if you take this point, this point, this point, so amongst all the points that are on the parabola, the vertex is nearest to the focus. As far as nearest or farthest points are concerned, lowest or highest, maximum or minimum, so we have to apply the concept of maximum minima that we have discussed last year, derivatives chapter. So what do we do actually is we will prepare in some function and later, for example, f of t, so f dash t, f double dash t we will find. So and to say whether it is maximum or minimum or lowest or farthest, f dash t we will equate to 0, then t value we will be getting, and that f double dash t we will substitute in that. If it greater than 0, f double dash t is greater than 0, it has the minimum at the t value, and if f double dash t is less than 0, it has the maximum at that point t equals to something, which we got through substituting f dash t equals to 0. So the same thing, solution, let p a t square comma 2a t be a point on the parabola. So let us take any point p. This is a t square comma 2a t. Be a point on the parabola which is nearest to the focus, which is nearest to the focus. Now, so s is a comma 0. So for the parabola y square equals to 4ax, the focus is sa comma 0. Now sp square is equals to, sp square is nothing but the distance of the 2 points, the distance between the 2 points. So at square minus a whole square, at square minus a whole square plus 2at minus 0 whole square. So this is a square into t square minus 1 whole square plus this is 4a square t square. So if a square, if you take common, then this is t square minus 1 whole square plus 4 t square. This is equals to a square into, this is t power 4 minus 2t square plus 1 plus 4t square. This is t power 4 minus 2t square plus 4t square is 2t square plus 1. This is equals to a square into t square plus 1 whole square. This is what we got. Let us suppose that this is, since this is in terms of t, so this is function of t, f of t I will take. Now f dash t is equals to a square into, let us suppose this to be t square derivative is 2t, so 2 into t square plus 1 into d by dt of t square is 2t. This is equals to 2 2s are 4 a square, 2 2s are 4 a square. This is t into t square plus 1. Otherwise this is 4a square into t cube plus t. This is f dash t. So now for maxima or minima, farthest or nearest, for the nearest point f dash t should be equals to 0. That means 4a square into t square plus 1 is equals to 0. From this, 4a square into t square plus 1 equals to 0 or t equals to 0. Therefore, we get here t equals to 0. Now, f double dash t, that is equals to 4a square into t cube derivative is 3t square. 3t square, t derivative is 1. So, now f double dash t is equals to, now f double dash 0 is equals to 4a square, 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1. This is equals to 4a square. So 4a square value is 4 is a positive integer and a square it is 0. Therefore at t equals to 0, ft is minimum, then p 0 0. Therefore p 0 0. What is this p 0 0? Vertex is the nearest point to the focus. Question is, a comet moves in a parabolic orbit with sun as focus. So the comet moves in a parabolic orbit. Parabolic orbit. The path of the equation of the parabolic orbit be y square equals to 4ax. This is the path of the parabolic orbit with sun as a focus. This is the sun. Focus is when the comet is 2 into 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. So let us take P here. Let P be the position of the comet. So P is the position of a comet. Here the comet is 2 into 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. So this is 2 into 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. P is the comet. So here P is at a distance of 2 into 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. The line from the sun to it makes an angle pi by 2. So this PS is making an angle pi by 2 with the axis. So angle XSP is equals to pi by 2. That means PS is perpendicular to the axis. PS is perpendicular to the axis. Which axis? Principal axis. That means PS is the semi-latus rectum. Because what is latus rectum? The chord passing through the focus and perpendicular to the principal axis is the latus rectum. So P dash is the total length of the latus rectum, but here PS is the semi-latus rectum. So now this is totally 4A. So semi-latus rectum is 2A. That means 2A is equals to 2 into 10 power 7 kilometers. So 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, A is equals to 10 power 7. So what is A? From vertex to the focus, this is A. Therefore, so the comet is at a distance of 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. Therefore, the comet is at a distance of 10 power 7 kilometers from the sun. Find the locus of a point of trisection of double ordinate of a parabola y square equals to 4ax. First of all, what is meant by points of trisection? For example, let us suppose that this is the line AB. 2 points P comma Q are said to be points of trisection if and only if P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides AB in the ratio 1 plus 1, 2:1. Then the points P comma Q are said to be the points of trisection. So this is the concept given. So here find the locus of the point of trisection of a double ordinate. That means let us suppose that this is our parabola y square equals to 4ax with the S being the focus here, a comma 0. Double ordinate means a chord which is perpendicular to the axis, So this is our double ordinate. So if the same chord is passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis, then it is said to be the latus rectum. But as far as double ordinate is concerned, it is only perpendicular to the principal axis. It is not passing to the focus. Now, so this is a comma 0. So that is, let P is x comma y I will take. Then this P dash is x comma minus y, because this is a perpendicular. So if it is x, this is also x and this is also x. But this parabola is symmetric about x-axis. This is first quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. So if this height is y, then this is minus y. And since y square equals to 4ax, y is equals to square root of 4ax, that is 2 root ax. That means this P is x comma 2 root ax. And this is P dash is x comma minus 2 root ax. So now let us take one point. Otherwise, if you take q dash, q, I'll take one point P in such a way that P divides q dash in the ratio 1:2. Otherwise, P may be here also. In that case, it is 2:1. Otherwise, the point may be here also. So it will be taken as x1 comma y1. Let P x1 y1 be the locus of the point of trisection, which divides q dash in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. So the same point can be taken here also. In that case, this is q dash, this is P. This P divides q dash in the ratio 1:2. Otherwise, P may be here also. In that case, this is 2:1. So here P divides what is that? QP. So P divides QP in the ratio, this is 1 and this is 2. So since P is a point lying internally of the line joining q dash, so P x1 y1 is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by n plus n comma m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So here 1 comma 2 are m comma n, and x1 y1 is this, x1 y1 is this, and x2 y2 is this. Okay, so and m is to n is 1 is equals to m and n equals to 2. Now substitute mx2 1 into x plus nx1 2 into x 2x by m plus n 1 plus 2 3 comma m by 2 1 into minus 2 root ax. So minus 2 root ax plus m by 2 plus n by 1 2 into 2 2 into 2 4 root ax by this is 1 plus 2 is 3. This is equals to x plus 2x is 3x by 3. This is x comma. This is 4 root ax minus 2 root ax. So 2 root ax by 3 is x1 y1. From this x1 is equals to x comma y1 is equals to 2 root ax by 3. So if I square on both sides, so cross multiplication is 3y1 equals to 2 root ax. Squaring on both sides, 9y1 square equals to 4ax 4ax. So this is equals to 9y1 square is equals to 4a. This x is equals to x1. Therefore, the locus of p x1 comma y1 is 9y square equals to 4ax is the locus of the point of trisection. This we have done in 1:2 ratio, and 2:1 also if you do, then the same 9y square equals to 4x is what we are getting. So this time P point is cutting q dash in the ratio 2:1. Earlier we have taken P here 1:2 here. So QP is 2 part and PQ dash is 1 part. So 2:1 now. So Px1 y will be the locus of the point of trisection which divides Q dash in the ratio 2:1. So here 2 is m, 1 is n, x1 y1, x2 y2. Now mx2 plus nx1 2 into x plus nx1 1 into x 1 into x by m plus n 2 plus 1 3 m by 2 2 into minus 2 root ax minus 4ax plus n y1. So 1 into 2 root ax 2 root x by 3. This is 3x by 3 which is x minus 4 root x plus 2 root x is minus 2 root x by 3. So x1 equals to x, y1 equals to minus 2 root x by 3. So cross multiplication 3y1 equals to minus 2 root x. Squaring on both sides, 9y1 square equals to minus square is plus 2 square 4 root ax whole square is ax. So 9y1 square equals to 4a. This x is equals to how much? X1. Therefore, the locus of p x1 y1 is x1 and y1 if we generalize with x comma y, that is 9y square equals to 4x. This is what we get earlier also in the case of 1:2. Therefore, the locus of p is 9y square equals to 4ax. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex and focus are on positive x-axis. Let us suppose that this is the coordinate axis with this be the origin x dash y dash. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex and focus are on positive x-axis. So if the focus is on x-axis, focus lies on x-axis. That means the principal axis is x-axis. If the principal is x-axis and on positive x-axis, focus lies on the positive x-axis. The equation of the parabola, which is whose principal axis is x-axis, it is of the form y square equals to plus or minus 4x. But here positive x-axis, that is plus 4ax. So y square equals to 4ax. Now, and whose vertex and focus are on positive x-axis at a distance a and a dash from the origin. So here vertex is at a distance of a from the origin. So let us take this is the parabola. So here the vertex is a and here the focus is s. So here the vertex is at a distance of a from the origin. The vertex a is at a distance of small a from the origin, and focus is at a distance of a dash from the origin. From this origin, this s is at a distance of a double dash. Now, so what is this distance now? Total a double dash minus a is, this is a double dash minus a. Now, solution, since the focus lies on positive x-axis, it is of the form, it is of the form. So principal axis is x-axis. So if the principal axis is x-axis, that is symmetric about x-axis, y square is equals to 4ax. But here the vertex is not at the origin here. So it is y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. So already a's are there, therefore for which I will separate it with a. So here y minus, what is the vertex here? What is the vertex? So for this parabola y square is equals to, see this parabola s, this is a, this parabola is y square equals to 4ax. How this we get? Y minus 0 whole square equals to 4a into x minus 0. That means the vertex here a is 0 0 here. So y minus 0 whole square equals to 4a into x minus 0 with as is equals to small a. So this a is small a here, the distance between a and s. Now y minus, this is h comma k now. So y minus 0 whole square is equals to 4 into, what is a here? as. What is as? A double dash minus a. A double dash minus a into x minus a. So therefore y square is equals to 4 a double dash minus a into x minus a is the required form of the parabola. If L and L dash are the ends of the lattice rectum of the parabola, x square equals to 6y. So this parabola x power even, symmetric about y axis, upward or downward. But here y has positive sign, therefore the parabola could be like this. So the parabola is like this. So x square equals to 6y. Find the equation of OL and OL dash. L dash are the ends of the lattice rectum. That means this is, for example, focus. For y square equals to 4x, focus is a comma 0. Because y square equals to 4x, the axis lies on the x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. This is a comma 0. But here, the axis is y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Therefore, this is 0 comma a. Now, this is our L dash. What is this L dash? L dash is the latus rectum. So latus rectum is parallel to the directrix. So here the directrix of this is this. So now, and this L dash is perpendicular to the principal axis. So for y square equals to 4ax, for y square equals to 4ax, this is the parabola. Y power even symmetric about x axis, positive x axis. And here this is the focus and this is our L dash. So this is the latus rectum. So here if it is a comma 0, this is a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a. So since for this parabola, this parabola is symmetric about x-axis, this is lying in the first and fourth quadrants. Here this is first and second quadrants. So this is a is going to be the same, the x coordinate is going to be the same. So this is 2a and this is minus 2a because this is first quadrant and second quadrant it is. Okay, now this is O. Since the x square equals to 6y is the parabola which is having the vertex at the origin, standard or the simplest form of the parabola. This is 0, 0. Now OL and OL dash. So what is the equation of OL? How do we get this OL? 2 points we have straight line equation. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Solution. So equation of OL is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this implies y minus, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y minus 0 is equals to y2 minus y1. So a minus 0 by x2 minus x1. This is 2a minus 0 into x minus 0. This is equals to y is equals to a by 2a is 1 by 2 into x. So therefore this is 2y is equals to x or x minus 2y equals to 0. And equation of OL dash is, that is x plus 2y equals to 0. Same everything, but here minus we will get. So x plus 2y equals to 0. Therefore, the combined. So he is asking find the equation of OL and OL dash R. So this is the equation of OL and this is the equation of OL dash. The combined equations of OL comma OL dash is x square minus 4y square equals to 0. Pair of straight lines last year we have discussed. X plus 2y equals to 0, x minus 2y equals to 0, x square minus 4y square equals to 0. This is the form. This is the second degree homogeneous equation. So here a is equals to, this could be compared with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. So implies a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and h is equals to, since there is no xy here, the quotient of xy is here 0. Therefore, if theta is the angle between, if theta is the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, then cos theta is equals to a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Otherwise, tan theta formula also you can write. So cos theta is equals to now a plus b. A is equals to 1 minus 4 by square root of a minus b whole square. 1 minus of minus plus 4 whole square. 4h square is 0. So therefore this is 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Modulus is plus 3 by this is 5. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the points minus 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 3. We have already discussed in the video, the lecture number 2 of this parabola, that equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x equals to ly square plus my plus n. Okay. If the next question, fifth question is same question given, find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. That is, y is equals to lx square plus mx plus n. So, the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equals to ly square plus my plus n, where l, m, n are constants which we have to obtain. So since the required parabola is passing through minus 2 comma 1, substitute minus 2 is equals to, if the parabola passes through the point has to satisfy the the parabolic equation. So minus 2 is equals to L into 1 square L m into 1 m plus n. So since the required parabola also passes through, since it also passes through 1 comma 2, implies 1 is equals to 2 square 4 into L 4L plus m into 2 2m plus n. Since it passes through minus 1 comma 3, implies minus 1 is equals to 3 square 9 into L 9L plus m into 3 3m plus n. Now what I am doing is, so this is first equation, this is second, third and fourth. So now third equation minus second equation gives rise to 4L minus L is 3L plus 2m minus m is m plus n minus n gets cancelled. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2 which is 3. So this is fifth equation, and 4 minus 2, 4 is 9L minus L 8L. Next 3m minus m which is 2m, this is equals to plus n minus n gets cancelled, minus 1 minus of minus 2 minus 1 which is 1. Solving 5 and 6 implies, so fifth equation I will multiply with the 2. Then 2 3s are 6L plus 2M. 2 3s are 6. This is as usual 8L plus 2M is equals to 1. So subtraction 6L minus 8L is minus 2L. This minus 2M plus 2M gets cancelled. 6 minus 5 is 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore, L is equals to minus 5 by 2. L in either fifth equation or sixth equation. Fifth equation I'll do. This is equals to 3 into L value is minus 5 by 2 plus M is equals to 3. So this is equals to M is equals to 3. This minus 3 5s are 15. Minus 15 by 2 if you take to that side plus 15 by 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 15 21 by 2. Substituting L comma M in the second equation. Then minus 2 is equals to the value of L is minus 5 by 2 plus the value of M is 21 by 2 plus N. This is equals to minus 2 is equals to, this is LCM 2. 21 minus 5 is 16. 21 minus 5 by 2. So 16 by 2. This is 8 times plus N. This is minus 2. Therefore, this is N value is minus 2 minus 8 minus 10. Therefore, substituting L comma N in equation 1. So x is equals to L y square. L value is minus 5 by 2 y square plus M is equals to 21 by 2 y plus M value is minus 10. So LCM if you find minus 5y square plus 21y minus 2 tens of 20 is equals to by 2. So 2 into x 2x. Therefore the final answer is 5y square minus 21y plus 2x plus 20 equals to 0. This time the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. The equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is of the form y is equals to Lx square plus mx plus n. So this is passing through 3 points. So 4 comma 5, since 4 comma 5 lies on 1 implies y is equals to 5 here is equals to 4 square 16 into L 16L plus m into 4 4L 4m plus n. Next, minus 2 comma 11 lies implies 11 is equals to minus 2 square 4 into L 4L m into minus 2 minus 2m plus n. This is the third equation. And minus 4 comma 21 also lies implies 21 is equals to minus 4 square 16 into L 16L. Next, m into minus 4m plus n. This is fourth equation. Now, first equation minus second equation minus third equation gives rise to 16L minus 4L is 12L. 4M minus of minus plus 6M. 4M minus of minus plus 2M. 4M plus 2M is 6M. N gets cancelled. So 5 minus 11 is minus 6. 3 minus 4. 4M plus 2M. N gets cancelled. And 5 minus 11. So this is, if you take a 6 as an LCM, 6 as a common, then 2L plus M is equals to minus 1. Let us suppose that this is fifth equation. Likewise, for fourth equation minus third equation gives rise to 21 minus 11, 10. So first of all, come from here. 16 minus 4L is 12L. Minus 4M plus 2M. Minus 2M. Plus n minus n gets cancelled. 21 minus 11 is equals to 10. So if you take 2 as a common here, 6L minus n is equals to 5. This is our sixth equation. Solving 5 and 6. Then simply we will add 5 and 6. 2L plus 6L is 8L. Plus m minus m gets cancelled is equals to, this is minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So therefore L is equals to 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. Substituting L in fifth equation, that is equals to 2 into the value of L is 1 by 2 plus M is equals to minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, the value of M is, this is 1 time, M is equals to minus 1, so minus 2. Now, substituting L comma M in the first equation, that is equals to 5 is equals to 16. The value of L is 1 by 2 plus 4 into the value of M is minus 2 plus N is unknown value yet to be obtained. So here this is 8 times 4 minus 2 is minus 8 plus 8 gets cancelled, N equals to 5. Substituting L comma N in equation number 1. Therefore we get y is equals to, the value of L is 1 by 2 x square plus mx. M is minus 2 into x minus 2x. The value of N is 5. This is equals to y, 2y is equals to x square, take 2 as LCM, minus 4x, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0 is the required parabola.